Hello, my wonderful English learners. Welcome back. This is day 5 of our 10 days 10-minute shadowing challenge. Today we are going to practice English on the theme of shopping at the mall. Listen carefully, speak clearly, and repeat after me. I'm going to the shopping mall today. Repeat. I'm going to the shopping mall today. Once more. I'm going to the shopping mall today. Next. The mall is very big and crowded. Repeat. The mall is very big and crowded. Once more. The mall is very big and crowded. Next. I want to buy some new clothes. Repeat. I want to buy some new clothes. Once more. I want to buy some new clothes. Next. Where is the clothing store, please? Repeat. Where is the clothing store, please? Once more. Where is the clothing store, please? Next. It is on the second floor. Next. I am taking the escalator to go up. Repeat. I am taking the escalator to go up. Once more. I am taking the escalator to go up. Next. This store has a nice collection. Repeat. This store has a nice collection. Once more. This store has a nice collection. Next. I'm looking for a blue shirt. Repeat. I'm looking for a blue shirt. Once more. I'm looking for a blue shirt. Next. Do you have this in medium size? Repeat. Do you have this in medium size? Once more. Do you have this in medium size? Next. Yes, we do. Here you go. Next. Can I try this on, please? Repeat. Can I try this on, please? Once more. Can I try this on, please? Next. The fitting rooms are over there. Next. This shirt fits me perfectly. Repeat. This shirt fits me perfectly. Once more. This shirt fits me perfectly. Next. I think I will buy this one. Repeat. I think I will buy this one. Once more. I think I will buy this one. Next. How much is this shirt? Repeat. How much is this shirt? Once more. How much is this shirt? Next. It is $20. Next. Is there any discount today? Repeat. Is there any discount today? Once more. Is there any discount today? Next. Yes, we have a 10% discount. Next. I will pay by card. Repeat. I will pay by card. Once more. I will pay by card. Next. Could you put this in a bag, please? Repeat. Could you put this in a bag, please? Once more. Could you put this in a bag, please? Next. Thank you very much. Repeat. Thank you very much. Once more. Thank you very much. Next. Now I want to buy a pair of shoes. Repeat. Now I want to buy a pair of shoes. Once more. Now I want to buy a pair of shoes. Next. The shoe store is near the entrance. Next. I am looking for walking shoes. Repeat. I am looking for walking shoes. Once more. I am looking for walking shoes. Next. These sneakers look very comfortable. Repeat. These sneakers look very comfortable. Once more. These sneakers look very comfortable. Next. Can you show me a smaller size, please? Repeat. Can you show me a smaller size, please? Once more. Can you show me a smaller size, please? Next. These fit me very well. Repeat. These fit me very well. Once more. These fit me very well. Next. I'm happy with my shopping. Repeat. I'm happy with my shopping. Once more. I'm happy with my shopping. Next. I'm feeling a little tired now. Repeat. I'm feeling a little tired now. Once more. I'm feeling a little tired now. Next. Let us go to the food court. Repeat. Let us go to the food court. Once more. Let us go to the food court. Next. There are many food options here. Next. I would like a burger and fries. Repeat. I would like a burger and fries. Once more. I would like a burger and fries. Next. Can I have a cold drink too? Repeat. Can I have a cold drink too? Once more. Can I have a cold drink too? Next. This food is really tasty. Repeat. This food is really tasty. Once more. This food is really tasty. Next. I'm relaxing after shopping. Repeat. I'm relaxing after shopping. Once more. I'm relaxing after shopping. Next. It is getting late now. Repeat. It is getting late now. Once more. It is getting late now. Next. I should go back home. Repeat. I should go back home. Once more. I should go back home. Next. I had a great time at the mall. Repeat. I had a great time at the mall. Once more. I had a great time at the mall. Amazing work. You practiced useful English on the theme of shopping at the mall. Keep speaking, keep repeating, and your English will become smoother and more natural every day.